Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to auto-refresh a page in Google Chrome using an extension. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your menu icon, so go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu with additional extension-related choices. In this submenu, you'll see an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it to be taken directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install various extensions to enhance your browsing experience. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Auto Refresh Plus. This extension is specifically designed to automatically refresh web pages at intervals you set, which is perfect for monitoring live content, checking for updates, or keeping dashboards current without manual refreshing. After typing the search term, you'll see Auto Refresh Plus appear in the search results. Click on it to open the extensions page. On this page, you'll find an Add to Chrome button prominently displayed. Click on this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. Now, wait a few moments while the extension installs itself into your browser. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your browser again. You'll see an extension icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, locate and click on Auto Refresh Plus to open the extensions configuration panel. Now you're ready to configure how the Auto Refresh feature works. First, you'll see a field where you can input a time interval. Enter the number of seconds, minutes, or hours you want between each refresh. This determines how often the page will automatically reload. Below the time input, you'll notice several toggleable features. You'll see options for hard refresh, set refresh number, show visual timer, and refresh behavior on user interaction. Each of these has a toggle button next to it. Simply click any toggle to enable or disable that specific feature based on your needs. For example, enabling hard refresh ensures the page reloads completely, clearing the cache each time. Next, click on the timer option at the top of the panel. This allows you to set a specific timer and even schedule auto refresh to start and stop at certain times if needed. This is especially useful if you only want automatic refreshing during specific hours. After that, click on the tabs option to view and manage which tabs are set to auto refresh. This gives you control over multiple tabs at once, so you can selectively choose which pages refresh automatically. Then click on Monitor to configure advanced monitoring settings. This section lets you fine-tune how the extension tracks and refreshes your pages, giving you even more control over the process. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click the Start button at the top of the extension panel. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Click Allow to activate the Auto Refresh feature, and your page will now automatically reload at the intervals you set. And that's it! You've successfully set up Auto Refresh in Chrome, saving you the hassle of manually refreshing pages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.